Hello, everyone. For this week's code challenge, we have a function rand7 that generates a random integer from 1 to 7. Use it to write a function rand5 that generates a random integer from 1 to 5. So first, we're given a function rand7, and since we're technically not given it, I'm going to write it out really quick. I'm going to use NumPy's random integer to grab it. So if I do import numpy as np and np.random.rand integer, and I want to do 1 through 8. So 4, 1, 7, 3. I want to make sure this is inclusive of the 8. So let's do it a couple times. For I in range 1,000. And I'm going to append it to a dictionary. Rand7 dict is going to be empty dictionary. Make a variable my number, set that equal to this. And if my number is in the dictionary, rand7 dict, then I want to do rand7 dict, add 1 to it. So making a counter. So my num, and then else rand7 dict, my number is equal to 1. So let's run that, and then let's take a look at what we have. Rand7 dict. Oh, I want to do plus equals 1. And so it does not look like it's inclusive of 8. So I want to do through 9. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, I'll need to make a random number generator. I'm going to need to return 1 through 9 because it is not inclusive of that top number. So to make a random number generator with a function, I'm going to do rand7. Rand int 1 through 9. So cool. Now I have this function. I'm going to make a function rand5 now. And don't want to run it. So first I'm going to make a variable my result. My result equals rand 7. And then I want to check if this result is less than, if it's between 1 and 5, I want to return that. But if it's not, I want to have it rerun the rand 5. So if my result is less than 6, return my result. Else, return rand 5. So this is a recursive function. And let's run it. So return 3, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 4. I was going to say, should return 4 at some point. And I'm going to do the same thing with this, just to make sure that it is random. So rand5 dict is going to be this dictionary for I in range. I'm going to do 10,000. So 10,000, my number equals rand 5. If my num in rand 5 dictionary then rand 5 dictionary, my number plus equals 1. So add 1 to it if it's already in the dictionary, and if it's not in the dictionary, add it to the dictionary and set the count equal to 1. Equals 1. And let's take a look. Rand 5 dictionary. So 1 shows up about 2,000 times, 2 shows up about 2,000 times, 3 shows up about 2,000 times, 4 and 5. So that is how I would do that. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.